Today, we're going to take a look at how to change the hearing aid battery in your hearing instrument. Open your hearing aid battery door all the way and remove the hearing aid battery. Take a new battery from the package and remove the tab and let that battery sit for 2 minutes. Once the 2 minutes is over, positive side of the battery up, place it into the door. The door also has a positive sign on the door so that you know the positive side of the battery and the positive sign on the door should match. Close the battery door tightly and you are finished.